Participating in online forums can be a great way to find new leads. Here's how you do it. First, you're going to find relevant forums that are applicable to your business. Next, you create a compelling profile. Make sure that you're up to speed on all of the rules and etiquettes for that particular forum. After you've done that, you need to get on the forum and start providing effective, helpful, beneficial information to the other members of the forum. As you do this, you'll be recognized as a leader and an expert in your field. As that recognition grows, people on the forum will look to you for answers. People will naturally flow to you to become your customers. As people search the internet and run across that forum, they will also see your answers and come to you as well. If the forum allows, another opportunity is to send direct messages to other members of the forum, introducing yourself and connecting with them. Monitor the forum regularly and follow up with any opportunities.